Hi, this is Shahir Kabir from KlinKode again. Today I will show you how you can add some additional custom text field above this add to cart button in the single product pages. As the demo, I am using the default down theme from Shopify. So let's go and show you how we can do that. Just go to the themes and edit code. Then we need to to make this happen, we are going to follow a blog post I wrote in my website here. Let's go and okay, this says that I need to copy the below code to the buy buttons liquid file. Okay, copy this, and here normally the buy button is under the snippet folder. Okay, under the snippet, yes, here is this, and then just before the product form buttons. Okay, normally that line is 68, so above that maybe here, and paste. Okay, it's little off. Okay, format, it's formatted, then save. Okay, let's go to the steps 2. We are going to give it some styling so it matches with the rest of the website design. Copy, and which file should I? Base. Okay, base should be under the asset folder. So this is the asset, then base. It is best practice to add any additional CSS at the very end of the CSS file. In this case, we are going to use the base.css file. So paste it. Okay, save. It is taking some time. Okay, now here, if everything is right, here we see a text field called additional text. And it is styled, so maybe some send me the maybe new one. Okay, then add to cart. You see already the cart box has the additional text here, and go to the cart page. We have the additional text, and lastly let's go to the checkout. Yes, we have the text is here as well. So this is, I just added a single field, but you can add as many as you like. So feel free, let me know if you have any issues adding the extra fields in your shop, or if you are using any other themes which might be some little different liquid file structure. Just you can comment below so I can answer them. Thank you.